The lack of funding and staffing shortage are impacting Wisconsin's justice system. La Crosse County District Attorney Tim McGrinky says the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic are still impacting courtrooms.
News 8 Now's Dua Israr spoke to Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul, who says the state's criminal justice system needs more resources.
When the pandemic started, court hearings were delayed, leading to a backlog of many court cases. Wisconsin Attorney General Josh Kaul says unless there is additional funding, this problem will continue. It's been said the wheels of justice turn slowly. The pandemic nearly brought it to a stop.
We don't get to shut our door and say we're not taking any more business.
La Crosse County District Attorney Tim McGrinky knows that all too well.
Didn't explain the blood on the blue jeans.
While the doors of the DA's office remained open, statewide it faced a staffing shortage.
We lost a lot of people. We lost a lot of experience.
Wisconsin's Attorney General Josh Kaul says there's fewer prosecutors because of a lack of funding.
Crimes out there that need to be prosecuted doesn't change because you have fewer DAs.
In 2019, Governor Tony Evers announced the creation of 65 prosecutor positions across the state.
Making sure they have the resources they need to effectively prosecute cases is critical.
AG Kaul says while some steps have been taken to increase positions, it's not enough.
We need to invest in our criminal justice system. Our criminal justice system in Wisconsin has been underfunded for decades.
DA Grinke says when there aren't enough prosecutors, it can lead to mistakes.
You only have a certain number of things you can do. And obviously the more work you have and less people you have, something's got to give.
Grinke says because of a staffing shortage, some cases may take longer to get to trial. And victims and their families pay the price, waiting for a resolution. Now, the DA's office isn't the only office facing a staffing shortage. In August, a lawsuit was filed against the state of Wisconsin for violating the constitutional rights of criminal defendants. Many of them have been waiting for months for their case to be heard. Reporting in La Crosse, Dua Israr, News 8 Now.
Thank you, Dua.
Earlier this year, Governor Evers announced almost $6 million of American Rescue Plan Act funds will be used to fill assistant DA positions.